Hey, I'm David Nurse. I'm gonna take you behind the scenes to an amazing experience here at the St. Regis in Puerto Rico, speaking to Akamai. I would love to create an experience like this with you. Hey, you guys are the best of the best, the Titans. You all get to live out his legacy, changing the way the world operates. When I think of Titans, I think of strength, power, courage, and you are all of that, but you're so much more. I went a little deeper researching it. Titan actually derives from the Greek verb teneo, meaning to stretch. And the actionable translation for stretch is continued effort. You guys are committed to obsessively striving, stretching, growing, and that's why you have become the best of the best. The most difficult seasons are not the ones after you lose in the playoffs. The most challenging seasons are after you've won the NBA championship. Shouldn't it be easier for any team like the Miami Heat after they win a championship? Shouldn't there be less stress, less pressure, less expectations? No, just the opposite. And you all wouldn't want it any other way. Because what Eric said after that defined it all. He said, even though those seasons are the most challenging, most difficult, they're also the most invigorating. It's an adventure of growth. And I know for a fact, none of you would be in this room if you didn't love a challenge. Am I right? Yeah, that's why you were battling in the Water Olympics. Absolutely. And I'm gonna give you a formula. We're gonna go through a formula, tried and true, through working with NBA players, coaches, business leaders over the past decade of putting this together. Because you know the pressure there is. You're already at the top, but you have to continue to improve, continue to improve. It's 3 C's. Looks pretty easy. Confidence, connection, consistency. The formula itself is not difficult. The execution, that's the challenge.